Hey guys, this is Jimmy Jones again, checking in with you. I'm working on the electric right now for my shop. Because this is a warehouse, what I'm doing is attaching everything for the electric with brand new cords. I got a bunch of old cords, but I want it to look clean, so the new cords are like 10 bucks each, 25-foot cord. I have 50 foot and 75, 100, whatever I need, but these look real clean. So you look, I'm running along the line with the water. This I'm gonna redo. I'm gonna zip tie it with these colors that I have. I hung the picture, hung the board, and I put these what you call it, things up there. So I put the light, got the little lounge area kind of set up, and I just hooked up the hot water. So I'm about to strap everything in, and come this way, the hot water goes into the shower that I built back here. Let me grab the light. Sorry, it's a little dark. But I got these neon colored zip ties. So what I'm doing is going back and forth with the colors just to give it that unique look. Paint all the doors different colors like that with regular spray paint. I buy a certain Rust-Oleum and 2 times cover, pretty damn good. I just put this up. It's the pole and the hangers. I'm gonna go ahead and put wood on top of it, so now I have a shelf. And pretty much I got these. They're like $5 a piece. The pole's like, I don't know, somewhere around. Altogether, that was like 20 bucks, you know. To get the electric and all that, went ahead and I bought LED rope lighting. So I'm putting LED lights all through it. I've got this one, which is a 25, I believe, for this room. I think it might be or 30 foot, something like that. But then I have a 100-foot one for out here. And if I need more, I could just buy more. They were really cheap. This one was 20, the other one was 30. But the other one, like this one's like a whole, it's waterproof too. It's made to go outside. So I can put it in the bathroom and in the room or wherever. I was thinking about lining the bathroom with it. Okay, so it's this one. Okay, so 32 foot, 1/2 inch diameter. It changes all different colors. And then I also have this other one. I'll show it later. What the hell did it? Sorry, I should have been a little more. I just wing these. I don't plan nothing. I just start recording myself. So that's what it is. Right now, I can't find it. So I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna make another video with that one. I got shit everywhere. You know, I'm working on this project. I painted okay, so I just painted this table. I'm gonna recycled that, just painted it some crazy colors, and I'm gonna put it next to this. So got this, got that, all for free. I just painted them. Got this. And so they're gonna look a little, you know, they were free, so who cares if I paint? It's not like I have to buy new shit really, so I'm just paying for the paint. And then I'm setting this up in here. So I'm gonna start doing this, and you'll see where I'm going with it. So right now, I'm gonna do up top here. So what I'm doing is I have these clamps, and the clamps just tack right on. So I have these ones in here, and do is I grab them. So I got everything like organized. So Tapcons, long screws, short screws, straps, electrical connectors, glues, razors, extension pins. It helps a lot. It cost me like $80, but I've always bought tools, so it takes a long time to get all the tools, but to keep it organized, that's where the trick is. Alright, so I'm gonna do this right here. Perfect. Back here. Alright. So I'm gonna take these little straps. So the strap, you just put the cord in, and then you just screw the end, so it zips it up there. Really simple design. And I also put holes in the 2x4s up here, so that way I can run electric through it. But then I got to thinking, well, why should I run the electric if this is just a garage, it's temporary? I might be here for I have no idea how long, but it could be like 6 months to a year, who knows? It might be 5 years. But I'm just thinking, about having to move all this shit. And so all I have to do, I use screws on everything. So I can just take it back apart. I can keep the wood. The drywall's garbage, but all I gotta do is move this. It's the wood's treated, I put a couple layers of paint on it. So that way, the wood's gonna last. The cords will always be good. They're not really gonna get dirty because they're brand new cords in the corner. So everything should last a while. And altogether, I spent, a couple grand to have a setup to where I can be mobile. Yep, nice and easy. Yeah, these long black like that. Yeah. I'm excited. I'm happy with the way things are coming out. It's not done yet, but it's coming along. It's a lot of work though. That's for sure. Thought I was gonna go longer. theme going with the leaves, so which one should I put? Alright. So I have this light right here. And it has this cord. So if you look where I'm at up here, you see I want to put this light on this. And right now the cord is going down and around. I like the way it looks. It's nice and clean. I like the black with the neon against it. So let me see how far this this goes here. Yeah, it's actually pretty perfect. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to strap down this one too. So as you can see, this one will plug right in here. But actually, because I have those LED lights, what I was thinking was I can add an extension right there. I got a little 3-pronger, and then I can even go down from right there. I can go down and have another cord on this side of the wall. So I use a lot of different multi-outlets for all different types of shit, so I got them everywhere. I was just about to buy more. I don't know why. I want to do this stuff, that's why. But I got old ones, so I can add this. I'll just strap it down, and it should look pretty consistent up there. That way I can plug in those LEDs too. And those have a regular plug outlet. Oh, just kidding. Okie dokie. Alright, so it's only a double prong. Alright, well, I'll just put this up here. I should have paid attention to that. Check the light here. see how this is. So, as of right now, it is really dark in this room. Everything's black. So, clicking this light. Yeah, be kidding me. Okay, so the bulbs don't work. So earlier today, I was doing the water heater, and I went and I needed a voltage tester because when I had a buddy help me. Shout out to Dave, the AC guy. And when we were installing it, it didn't have power. We weren't sure what was wrong, so we went and got a voltage meter, a tester, and we got one. It didn't work. So we went back to Home Depot. We got a second one. It didn't work. So we went back for the third time, and we bought the same one. It was a Klein one, which is a good brand. Where is it? And it's still, the third one did work, and they are good tools. But for some reason, two of them didn't work today. So, what I'm gonna do right now is test to see if it's getting power. Ooh. Okay, so we're not getting power at the cord. Alright, so the thing wasn't on. Alright, so now, see? What the hell? Okay, so you see that? It's getting power now. That's what a voltage meter does. It tells you when it's getting power. Great tool to have. It's only 15 bucks at Home Depot. They have other brands too, but Klein is like one of the top brands. Or you get the General Electric one. That's the one I was gonna get. It's green. It's cool. But now we know that it's on. So what we do now is check the light. And there is light. So it's not the brightest bulb. Yeah. I think I'm definitely gonna get another light in here. But for right now, this'll do. There. So now it's not so dark in here. It's dimly lit, which I can deal with dimly lit. Put my clothes over here. Dimly lit. Like I said, you can barely see me, but that's because the light's over here. So what I could do is actually I can get just put a different light now that I got power here. I can put that somewhere else. That light was only like $10, which I thought was a good deal. So, all right. So what I'm doing now is gonna put the straps on the outside there. What else? Oh no, I'm gonna do the LED lighting. All right, where did I put it? Okay, I do this about 1,000 times a day. I don't know if everybody else does too, but I live my life looking for things I put around. It's a repetitive cycle. Go to the store, buy things, look all day for them. I guess that's what life's about. Found it. So,